The Power of Awareness by Neville Goddard. The Power of Awareness by Neville Goddard is a classic self-help and spiritual book that explores the concept of consciousness and its role in shaping reality. Published in 1952, it delves into the idea that our thoughts and beliefs have the power to manifest our desires and create our experiences. Goddard teaches that by becoming aware of our thoughts and assumptions, we can consciously create the life we want. The book emphasizes the importance of imagination and visualization in achieving our goals. Goddard suggests that by mentally experiencing our desired outcomes as if they have already happened, we can attract those experiences into our lives. He also discusses the significance of faith and belief in the manifestation process, arguing that true faith is the conviction that what we desire is already ours. Throughout The Power of Awareness, Goddard draws on religious and metaphysical teachings to support his ideas, blending elements of Christianity with concepts from New Thought and mysticism. The book has gained a following among those interested in the law of attraction and the power of the mind to shape reality. Overall, The Power of Awareness offers readers practical techniques for harnessing the creative power of their consciousness to achieve their goals and transform their lives. It encourages readers to take responsibility for their thoughts and beliefs, and to cultivate a mindset of abundance and possibility. Here are a few examples of the principles and teachings found in The Power of Awareness by Neville Goddard. Imagination creates reality is a central principle in Neville Goddard's teachings, as outlined in The Power of Awareness. Here's how this principle works. According to Goddard, our imagination is not merely a tool for entertaining fantasies. It's a creative force that shapes our reality. He suggests that everything we experience in the physical world is preceded by a mental image or concept formed in the imagination. When we vividly imagine something, especially if we do so with feeling and intensity, we impress that image upon our subconscious mind. The subconscious then works to bring that imagined reality into manifestation in our physical experience. For example, if someone desires to achieve a particular goal, they can use their imagination to visualize themselves already having achieved it. They might see themselves in the desired situation, feel the emotions associated with success, and imagine the sights, sounds, and sensations of that reality. By consistently dwelling on this mental image and feeling as if it's already real, they impress upon their subconscious the belief that the desired outcome is inevitable. This, in turn, influences their thoughts, actions, and circumstances to align with that imagined reality, ultimately leading to its manifestation in their life. In essence, imagination creates reality teaches that we have the power to shape our experiences through the images we hold in our mind and the feelings we attach to them. By harnessing the creative potential of our imagination, we can consciously create the life we desire. Living in the end is another key concept presented by Neville Goddard in The Power of Awareness. This principle emphasizes the importance of adopting the mindset and emotional state of having already achieved your desired outcome, regardless of your current circumstances. Here's how living in the end works. Focus on the desired outcome. Instead of dwelling on your current reality or the steps needed to achieve your goal, living in the end encourages you to focus solely on the end result you desire. This means clearly defining what you want and vividly imagining yourself already experiencing it. Feel the reality of your desire. It's not enough to simply visualize your desired outcome. You must also feel the emotions associated with having achieved it. This involves immersing yourself in the sensory experience of your desired reality and generating the corresponding feelings of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment. Act as if it's already true. Living in the end requires you to behave and make decisions as if your desired outcome has already been realized. This means aligning your actions, thoughts, and attitudes with the reality you wish to create, even if it contradicts your current circumstances. Maintain faith and confidence. Trusting in the power of living in the end requires unwavering faith and confidence in the creative process. You must hold firm to the belief that your desired outcome is not only possible but inevitable, regardless of any doubts or challenges that may arise. By consistently living in the end and embodying the reality of your desires, you align yourself with the creative forces of the universe and pave the way for their manifestation in your life. This principle emphasizes the transformative power of imagination, belief, and emotion in shaping your reality according to your desires. The assumption of the wish fulfilled is a fundamental concept introduced by Neville Goddard into The Power of Awareness. This principle underscores the importance of assuming the feeling and mental state of already having your desired outcome. Here's how the assumption of the wish fulfilled works. Mental state. Rather than approaching your desires from a mindset of lack or neediness, the assumption of the wish fulfilled requires you to mentally inhabit the state of already possessing what you desire. This involves imagining yourself as if your goal has already been achieved, with all the associated feelings and emotions. Feeling as reality. Goddard emphasizes that the feeling of the wish fulfilled is the key to its realization. It's not enough to simply visualize or affirm your desires. You must genuinely feel as if they have already come to pass. This feeling is what impresses upon your subconscious mind and sets the creative process in motion. Acting from the end. When you assume the wish fulfilled, you align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the reality of your desired outcome. This means making decisions and taking inspired actions as if your goal has already been accomplished, trusting that the universe will orchestrate the necessary circumstances to manifest your desires. Persistence and faith. The assumption of the wish fulfilled requires unwavering faith and persistence. Even in the face of apparent obstacles or delays, you must maintain the conviction that your desired outcome is inevitable and continue to embody the feeling of its fulfillment. By consistently assuming the wish fulfilled and living from that mental state, you activate the creative power of your subconscious mind and align yourself with the flow of universal forces, ultimately bringing your desires into physical manifestation. This principle highlights the transformative potential of imagination, belief, and emotion in shaping your reality according to your intentions. In Neville Goddard's The Power of Awareness, the principle of faith and belief plays a central role in the process of manifestation. Here's an exploration of how faith and belief are articulated in his teachings. Conviction in the outcome. Goddard emphasizes the importance of having unwavering faith and belief in the realization of your desires. True faith, according to Goddard, is the deep-seated conviction that what you desire is not only possible but inevitable. It involves trusting in the creative power of your thoughts and emotions to shape your reality. Alignment with the subconscious mind. Faith and belief are crucial because they influence the subconscious mind, which acts as the fertile ground for manifestation. When you wholeheartedly believe in the fulfillment of your desires, you impress upon your subconscious mind the corresponding images, emotions, and beliefs, thereby programming it to work towards the realization of those desires. Overcoming doubt and limiting beliefs. Faith and belief serve to counteract doubt and limiting beliefs that may sabotage your efforts to manifest your desires. By cultivating a steadfast belief in the possibility of your dreams, you can overcome the doubts and fears that may arise and maintain a positive, focused mindset. Persistence and resilience. Faith and belief also require persistence and resilience. Even in the face of setbacks or apparent delays, maintaining faith in the eventual realization of your desires enables you to persevere with determination and confidence. It's the unwavering belief in the unseen that sustains you through the journey of manifestation. Connection to universal intelligence. According to Goddard, faith and belief establish a harmonious connection between your individual consciousness and the universal intelligence or creative power of the universe. When you align your beliefs with the underlying order of existence, you tap into a limitless reservoir of creative energy that supports the manifestation of your desires. Overall, faith and belief are foundational principles in Neville Goddard's teachings, guiding individuals to trust in the creative power of their consciousness and to cultivate a deep sense of certainty in the fulfillment of their desires. Through faith and belief, one can transcend limitations, manifest abundance, and consciously co-create their reality. The Power of Awareness by Neville Goddard explores the transformative potential of consciousness and its role in shaping reality. Here's an overview of some key themes from the book. Consciousness creates reality. Goddard asserts that our external experiences are a reflection of our internal state of consciousness. He suggests that by becoming aware of our thoughts, beliefs, and assumptions, we can consciously influence and shape the events and circumstances of our lives. Imagination and visualization. Goddard emphasizes the power of imagination and visualization as tools for manifesting desires. He teaches that by vividly imagining and feeling the fulfillment of our goals, we impress upon our subconscious mind the necessary instructions to bring those desires into physical reality. Living in the end. Central to Goddard's teachings is the concept of living in the end, which involves assuming the feeling and mental state of already having achieved our desires. By embodying the reality of our wishes fulfilled, we align ourselves with the creative forces of the universe and attract corresponding experiences into our lives. Faith and belief. Goddard stresses the importance of faith and belief in the manifestation process. He argues that true faith is the unwavering conviction that what we desire is already ours, even before it manifests in the physical realm. By maintaining faith and belief in the face of doubt or adversity, we strengthen our creative power and accelerate the realization of our desires. Awareness of assumptions. Goddard encourages readers to examine their underlying assumptions and beliefs about themselves and the world around them. He suggests that by becoming aware of and revising limiting beliefs, we can expand our sense of possibility and open ourselves up to greater abundance and fulfillment. Overall, the power of awareness offers readers practical insights and techniques for harnessing the creative power of consciousness to manifest their desires and transform their lives. It invites readers to take responsibility for their thoughts and beliefs, guiding them on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Through the cultivation of awareness, imagination, faith, and belief, Goddard suggests that individuals can tap into the limitless potential of their consciousness to create the life they truly desire. These examples illustrate some of the core principles found in The Power of Awareness and how they can be applied in various aspects of life to manifest desires and create positive change.